How to register FAB Mobile Banking app. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how we can register on the First Abu Dhabi Bank online. So if you're wondering on how you can do that on the app itself, these are the process you may follow. But before starting with the process, just go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our updates. And after that, if you don't have the application, you can just head over to one of the app stores of your device and directly download it. And once it is downloaded, directly open it up on your phone. Once you open it up, you will be finding this interface on your screen. So if you're already a customer, you can just go ahead and log in using credentials. But if you are not, you can find this option called Join FAB here. Just go ahead and tap on it. Once you're here, you will be finding this option like accounts, credit cards, and personal loans. Select the option called accounts. And in order to get started, you need to enter up your UAE mobile number and your email address and continue the process. So you just need to head over, open up the app and go to the account settings and head over and enter up your mobile number of your UAE and then create up your email address. And after that, follow up the on-screen prompts they're asking you, like entering up your name, your legal documents, pictures of your legal documents, such kind of information, and verify yourself, and you will be registered on the FAB Mobile Banking app. So that is how you register for the FAB Mobile Banking app following up this method. So it is super easy. You can also follow that process. So I hope this video was helpful to you. And thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.